Hello cellists! Today we're going to be working on Song of the Wind. This is a lot of fun, but there's some technique I'd like to teach you along the way. First one's what I call a hinge finger. You play first finger and then without picking it up, you drop 4 on the D string and then 4 on the A string. So this first finger ends up being sort of a hinge between the two. Try that with me. If you're doing this, then you're doing it wrong. So try to get that first finger to stay down. Sometimes you have to force it down with your eyes. Just watch it, don't let it come up. Here's a handy practice. Just see how good you can do it, keeping that first finger down. It gives you a point of reference for both fingers, right? And then you don't have to find first finger, get on your way down. The other thing we're going to work on is lifts. So we have a long lift and a short lift. In both cases, we're going to set the bow before we have horizontal motion. So we want weight before horizontal motion. So for the big lift, we pull out to the middle of the bow and then hover just 4 or 5 inches above the bow. If we're here, 4 or 5 inches above the string, and then set the bow again. I sometimes will call this a watermelon lift with younger students. I mean, it's about the size of a watermelon, and we want an oval, not a circle. So give this a try. This is the watermelon lift. Set. And set the bow, and then move it. Once you get the hang of that, let's try the pear lift. This one's quite a bit shorter, right? But it's the same motion, just condensed into a smaller space. The other thing I want you to remember with Song of the Wind is that there is a repeat at the end. So often we'll get to the end of that piece and say, now, is this the first time through or the second time through, or does this piece have the repeat? If you can just start knowing that you're going to get to the end and then go all the way to the beginning again, play all the way through another time before you're finished, then you'll save yourself a lot of suffering at the end. A lot of listening will help. If you're listening to the Suzuki CDs, you will learn this piece so much faster than if you're doing it just from scratch. So get those Suzuki CDs, or we'll do a performance video. You can listen to that over and over again. Get it in your head first, in your ear, and then you'll find that your bow will do just what you want it to do. You've got some work to do, cellists. Happy practicing.